everybody, Ton Henry's Tattoos. I show you how to make strawberry ice cream. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with 1 cup of strawberries, which I've got in front of me here, which is roughly around 250 grams. And all we're going to do with these is chop them. Obviously take the stems off as well. And we just want to chop it up into small pieces like that. Alright, now we're just going to transfer our strawberries into a saucepan. Just like so. And we're going to top this up with 1 cup of sugar. And just a pinch of salt. Alright, so we're just going to move on to our stove and bring this up to a boil on a low to medium heat. And we of course want to stir this as well. Alright guys, so once that starts to gently boil like that, we'll turn the heat all the way to low, and we just want to simmer this for about 5 minutes. And keep in mind not to stir it as it's boiling, just leave it alone. Alright, so we're at the 5-minute mark now. As you can see, it's nicely thickened up, and that's what we want. So we'll go ahead and turn the heat off, and we want to let this completely cool down. Now if you want to speed it up, you can put this into the fridge. Alright guys, so once our mixture has cooled down, we're going to get our ice cream machine out. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to start by adding in 2 cups of thickened cream. And to this we're going to add in our strawberry mixture. Just like so. And all we have to do now is follow our manufacturing instructions. In my case, we need to churn it for about 25-30 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm at the 30-minute mark now. As you can see, it's come together beautifully. So guys, what you can do at this point is add in a few drops of red food coloring. Now you don't have to do this, but it will make it more red. So I'm just going to add a couple of drops in. Just like so. And we're just going to let that work in for a couple of minutes. So all we need to do now is transfer this into a freezer-proof container. Alright, and there we have it. So all we're going to do now is pop this into the freezer, leave it in there for a couple of hours before we serve it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and scoop this. Just look at that beautiful creaminess. Alright, and there we have it guys. So if you want to garnish it, you can put some shaved chocolate on it, so that'll go really nice. Storage wise, obviously keep it in the freezer, and you should be able to get up to 6 months. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. Got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.